emails me a daily update. 7 jobs, 7 agents, 1 person making the final cut. Agents, and I'll send you the full breakdown. That's what it's telling you to do. Comment below. Type in agents, and I'll send you the full breakdown below. I typed in, I want to create content. I want to create a marketing team for my social media channel. My channel is a youtube.com called, and that's my channel. I want to create a content using a social media channel, and my channel is going to be to study other AI influencers. Here I told Claude what I wanted to do. I'm going to give it some direction, tell it the things that I want, like strategy, niche, tips, AI effects, my main goal. Like, for example, I want to create an AI agency business. I want to connect and study their channel from the topics that are on, using as reference from YouTube. I'm going to use VidIQ. That's going to help me find outlier videos. And I would like to find anything that's trending. So for Claude Code, one of the agents is going to go into VidIQ and hunt. That is its main job. Here are the things that Claude created. One is it's going to create the 7 agents. The first agent is the analyst. It's going to rescan the channels weekly and keep a running brand voice document using VidIQ as a tool. The second agent is going to be an outlier hunter, where it's going to find small breakout channels or anything like that, score any breakout scores through VidIQ. Is the same, but it's going to look at smaller channels, not as large channels. The third agent is going to be the one that is going to help me build my thumbnail. It's going to decode formulas, generate titles, build its brand thumbnail. And again, it's going to reference back to VidIQ, also as well as use Higgsfield Nana Banana Pro, or also we're going to throw in OpenArt. So the fourth agent that I'm going to build here is going to be a scriptwriter. So this is going to help me write the hook, set up anything that would help create the script. And this is going to come from Claude. The fifth agent is going to act as an editor. It's going to cut any long form into short ones after we create them. And then this is what we're going to use also through the tool of VidIQ, Higgsfield, or any of that. The next agent is going to be a reporter. This is going to update the tracker that I have on an Excel spreadsheet, and it's going to go through the emails that I have posted out there. And the tool that I'm going to use through this is going to be an Excel spreadsheet, Google Docs, for example. Also, and it's going to connect through my Gmail. The seventh agent is going to be the publisher. This is going to help me upload any approved final cuts, and we're going to push it through YouTube. Here I asked Claude to help me make a thumbnail. Directly on Claude, I said that I'm going to ask it to help me create a thumbnail. It told me, go ahead and upload a couple images, a couple pictures. And then it says that I'm going to let it ask, pretty much, I'm going to ask it which of these pictures would it recommend. And here it says, we recommend like the last one pretty much because it has a smiling face. So what I do is I go ahead and select that, upload it. And then it says that it's going to open Hicksville Uploader widget, and it's going to pick up the photo that I want to use. Then the next thing is it's going to push it through. And here I'm going to tell it, I want you to create a thumbnail. And I told it, and I gave it a title. Title it AI Agent, create content to build a system with the title, and use the 7 agents as in the pipeline. And I'm going to call it connect it, hunt it, write it, thumbnail it, edit it, publish it, report it. And that's what I told Claude to do. And now it's asking, we're going to go with Nano Banana, which is the best option that it finds, and to create the thumbnail with it. So here it's giving a little bit of a script, part of the coding, and it's asking permission. Do you allow? And here I'm going to say allow once, and it's going to create and generate some sort of thumbnail. So at this point, it says that Nano Banana Pro is what they're trying to use it on. However, they're hitting a wall because I've ran out of credits. So it says that I told it to go ahead and use OpenArt. And here it says I still can't reach OpenArt directly. It's not connected. It's not a connected tool because it doesn't have the MCP connector. So there's no automated path to it for me, regardless of Hicksville's credit issue. That hasn't changed. What I can do, and it's telling me what Claude can do now. It's saying VidIQ has its own thumbnail generator connected here. I can try that and substitute Hicksville. No credit issue currently known. Want me to use that instead? Or write your exact OpenArt prompt, paste it in yourself with the full text and photo. So it's asking you before it starts to execute something. One, it ran out of tokens, ran out of credits from the other side, and I want you to see what happens. Because most videos, here's what I'll say. A lot of successful videos show the perfect example of how things run nicely and smoothly. On my side here, you're going to see these types of hiccups. One, it's going to show you what a beginner's coding is going to look like, or a beginner's prompt is going to look like. It's going to show you and how I would resolve it. So I'm going to show you shortly how I'm going to resolve it. Since I have an account with OpenArt, I'm going to come back over here. As you can see, there are credits on OpenArt, and we're going to start and create, which we do have one. We do have a character created and so forth. So let's take a look. Here, I've already created an image of myself. So what I did was I clicked on this panel, click on image, and this panel will open up. It'll ask you if you want to upload an image, which I've done already. And this is the image that it will upload. It just says here a little script, a little prompt that says, I want it to be a close-up. A woman is posing for a portrait in a photo studio, confident expression. So that's what it would look like. If you don't like that picture, the picture that you have, you can create another one. So what I'm going to do is show you, create image. And it's going to tell you, it's going to ask you, what do you want to do with it? So we're going to create an image. We're going to click here on upload image. We're going to pull up that image. No, I think it's this one. That. Once it's uploaded, it's going to show in here. Just like that. Now we're going to click on generate. As you can see, it will take that amount of tokens. It's creating. As it's generating, and as you can see, it's completed. It has a couple pictures for you to pick. Pick that one, you can pick this one, you can pick this one. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to download it. Click on the arrow button down here, download, JPEG or PNG. Or you can also go to VidIQ, and let's take a look. Here's VidIQ. Let's take a look. So when you first log in, you're going to see this panel here. It says New Chat, Research, Optimize, Upgrade, and so forth. Let's do, it says Research, and you're going to click Thumbnail. We're going to type in AI agent just to get an idea of what type of thumbnail would work best for us. So let's go ahead and pick one, and we're just going to pick this one. Now that I have an idea, I'm going to use Claude to write myself a prompt, so that way it would look similar to this thumbnail. I'm going to tell it, create a prompt for thumbnail, title, create AI agents using the YouTube as an example thumbnail, and insert my picture showing pointing to the digital scanner with a diagram of the 7 agent icons listed next to the Claude icons. And I got to upload the link. And here, when you click on the link, it'll open up all these other ones. Just pick which one. Copy, paste, could be that. Go back to my page here, and I'm going to tell it right here. Create a prompt for a thumbnail title, create AI agents using the YouTube link as an example thumbnail, and insert my picture showing typing. Let's change that. Keyboard. And now it's going to go in and try to do it again. It's going to try and create a thumbnail. As you can see here, it's trying to keep going to Hicksville because Hicksville is connected. I've got to go back and try to fix that. But instead it gives you another option because it says that I've ran out of credits with Hicksville. It's on a free account. And so it says I can build, the second option is I can build thumbnail as an HTML SVG graphic instead. The image won't look or it won't generate as the illustrated character in the art. So it'll ask you, want me to go to option 2, or would you rather top up credits first? So I'm going to ask it to, yes, build the thumbnail as an HTML and a graphic instead. Let's try that. And here we go. It's beginning to create it. It's getting there. It's not bad. It says, here's the thumbnail draft with 7 agents laid out as badges over a navy background with the bold yellow 7 AI agents. Title up top, similar to your reference. Let me know if you like the badge order changed, a different title, or the colors adjusted to match your brand more closely. I kind of like that in comparison to this right here. It's not as, it's clean, subtle. It looks not cartoonish. Kind of my style. I like that. Okay, let's check it out. So here I asked it to modify it a little bit. I asked, can you add my picture in the thumbnail? So it's trying to do something. It's thinking. We're trying to be as creative, thinking outside the box a little. And so here it is. This is what it did. It says, I can do that with the actual image file. The live widget can't pull in your uploaded photo, but Pillow can composite it directly. Let me build the real PNG with your photo include the pink. Good. So it ran the commands. I'll use Libertarian Sans Bowl. Building the thumb. That's okay. The style of the text. Created a file, ran a command through the file. Here's the thumbnail with your photo added in a yellow ring on the right. And all the 7 agents. Okay. Let me know if you like the photo bigger, cropped up. Let's see. This picture here looks so little boring, so to speak. I'm going to try to ask Claude, can you replace it with this picture? Give it a little emotions, I guess. Let's try it. So Claude is doing something. It says it's going to update it, telling it. Write a new script. Oh, and there you go. Has the picture in there. But it has its background, so let's try to put it back into OpenArt and try to clean it up a little. Okay, so I'm going to try and use the old picture. I'm going to put down close-up woman is posing, pointing her index finger to the side, showing something in a portrait in a photo studio with a confident expression. Let's try it. It's generating something. There it goes. It worked. I clicked on auto polish, so it's going to look a little brighter than most pictures. But look at that. There's the finger. Close-up woman is posing, pointing her index finger to the side, showing something in the portrait. So let's go ahead and download this picture. And now save it here. Now let's go back to Claude and ask it, can you please use this picture? Upload it. Photos. Find your photo. Find the file. Open. Can you use this picture? And it's doing something. Swap the latest upload, make the thumbnail, regenerate the thumbnail, preview it, update it. Let's see what it's doing. And there it goes. I like it. Looks good. Not bad. Of course, it does have a little bit of a touch. I think I like it. You don't always have to use other people's templates. You can be creative. Of course, you can use VidIQ as a reference and other YouTube templates just as a reference. But this kind of helps you open up your creativity. Now let's go ahead and download it and recreate it. Download the thumbnail. And now save it in your folder so you can use it later on. However, I do want to Claude, Claude's icon to give it. Let's see. I'm going to add their icons in. I'm going to say add on to the bottom footer. In the footer. Let's see what it says. Add footer icon logos to thumbnail script. Yes, that's what we want to do. Preview updated thumbnail with footer. Add CLaude. OpenArt VidIQ icons as small badges in the footer. And there it goes right there. Looks nice. I'm not quite there yet. Seems like this here, it's a little missing. I want to put the icon of CLaude himself somewhere around the circle edge. Let's try. I'll tell it to say add picture background layout, circling behind, framing my picture. Let's test and see if it can do it. Since it's generating the thumbnail, there it goes, right behind, but not quite. Let's try to angle it a little bit. So as you can see, CLaude knows, and it's asking, it repictured it, and it added the robot icon as a subtle background frame behind my picture. And it's asking, let me know if you like it more, less visible, bigger, repositioned. And so I said, make it more visible, bigger, repositioned at an angle like it's creeping out of the frame. Let's try it. So it's going to shrink it a little bit, regenerate, update the thumbnail. Let me know if this size angle looks right or needs further fine tuning. Oh, there it is. Not bad. It's at an angle. I like it. So now let's go back here. We're going to tell CLaude, build a script talking about the 7 agents with the hook, how to use CLaude as an AI tool to create a thumbnail and talk about the 7 agents. Let's see what it'll do. And it's running its script. Man, working with CLaude and rewriting all this makes my lips all chapped. Use some of this natural cream. Feels so good. So here it says, it built a script for me. It says, built in around the formula you laid out at the start. Relatable hook that calls out your idea. Viewer immediate. The opportunity they're missing. The value guarantee. A clear CTA plus under 10-second quick intro before the hook even starts. It walks through all 7 agents by name. Connect it, hunt it, write it, thumbnail it, edit it, publish it, report it, each with a one-breath explanation of its job, framed as I built a team rather than a dry feature list. I kept edit it and publish it, honest about where you actually are, review before post, publish, still being wired up, rather than overclaiming a fully automated pipeline that doesn't exist yet. Production notes at the bottom flag where to cut the thumbnail diagram, graphic, and which section to pull from the short form version, since you mentioned wanting both long and short form eventually. Cool. And let's take a look at this. Here's the script. I built 7 agents with CLaude to run my entire YouTube channel. As you can see, the format, it's going to be a long form, build a long tutorial, brand voice reference, practical, beginner safe, time, boxed, matches your existing 10 minutes a day, tool, stack, title, patterns, and that was from the previous video. The target length is about 12 to 18 minutes long form. We can cut it less than 60 seconds vertical from the hook and reveal for shorts. I like, let's take that. Copy paste. Come here. And I'm going to let CLaude. Don't forget to build a short. Build short. Three. Eight. Use the long form, cut less than 60 seconds vertical. You hook and reveal the shorts. Just like so. I'm going to download the long script, save it here, title this MD, long script. Let's go back here, download the short script version. Save it here. Call it, oh, and it's already called shorts right away. While it's doing that, my lips are dry. Got this from Lancome. It's really nice, rich, and creamy. Wow, so much. Who knew? Building an AI agent kind of dries your lips a little. Good thing I have this sitting on my table. Small, compact. Love it. Made out of jojoba green. It's buttery, smooth, velvety feeling to it. I'm going to test it. So I'm going to put this in, add the MD form of the long form in here. And it's asking, do you want to update the thumbnail 7 batch to match the script's name? Agents connected. Change. So we're going to change it, I guess, just to see what it looks like. Yes, update to match the script. Let's see what happens. There you go. Yeah, I didn't really do much to it, but okay, we'll take it. And now, Let's try it. Click on Preview. This is the short script side of it. So the short script, it says here, I built 7 AI agents to run my channel in a vertical cut. That's what it's going to do. Claude's going to reformat it in a vertical size style, and it's going to be less than 60 seconds, 55 seconds. It's cut in from the long form hook with the 7 agent reveal. Use the YouTube Shorts Reels or so forth to drive the long form video. That's what it's telling me to do. So what we're going to do here, it's going to give you the on-screen text overlay. It starts before you speak, and it's going to tell you here, the spoken script. Now it's tell you, if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel by yourself, researching, writing, editing, thumbnails, posting, and you're doing all of it alone, I built something that's about to save you hours every week. I used Claude to build myself 7 AI agents. Each one has one job, doing all of it alone. I built something that's about to save you hours every week. I used Claude to build myself 7 AI agents. Each one has one job. Connected studies my channel and keeps my voice consistent. Hunted finds my small channels popping off right now. Write it turns the pattern into a real script in my voice. Thumbnail it builds the cover using my own photo and brand. Edit it cuts the raw footage to my style. Publish it pushes it live once I approve it. Report it emails me a daily update. 7 jobs, 7 agents, 1 person making the final cut. Agents, and I'll send you the full breakdown. That's what it's telling you to do. Comment below. Type in agents, and I'll send you the full breakdown below. And then here's the caption overlaying timeout. It'll show you from this is the time. This column will show you the time. This here will show you what the screen will show. On-screen text and the production notes for your edit agent. It says pull straight from the long form tape. Same delivery, same energy, just trimmed to this block of lines. Reframe to 9:9:16 size. And then use the thumbnail diagram graphic as quick cutaway flashes behind each agent name, not full agent. And keep your face on the camera most of the time for retention. The end card is the last frame. It should hold up the comments agents for the last 1.5 seconds before the loop in. That's what it's saying. It's my channel and keeps my voice consistent. Hunted finds my small channels popping off right now. Write it turns the pattern into a real script in my voice. Thumbnail it builds the cover using my own photo and brand. Edit it cuts the raw footage to my style. Publish it pushes it live once I approve it. Report it emails me a daily update. 7 jobs, 7 agents, 1 person making the final cut. Agents, and I'll send you the full breakdown. That's what it's telling you to do. Comment below. Type in agents, and I'll send you the full breakdown below. And then here's the caption overlaying timeout. It'll show you from this is the time. This column will show you the time. This here will show you what the screen will show. On-screen text and the production notes for your edit agent. It says pull straight from the long form tape. Same delivery, same energy, just trimmed to this block of lines. Reframe to 9:9:16 size. And then use the thumbnail diagram graphic as quick cutaway flashes behind each agent name, not full agent. And keep your face on the camera most of the time for retention. The end card is the last frame. It should hold up the comments agents for the last 1.5 seconds before the loop in. That's what it's saying.